ABB Shanghai high-power rectifiers factory is a unique rectifier manufacturing base in China and one of the global feeder factories for ABB, mainly designing, manufacturing, selling, as well as servicing series of tailor-made rectifier systems. The factory was established in 2005 with an annual capacity up to 200 rectifiers per year. ABB's high-power rectifiers provide maximum availability and highest productivity. Among them, the medium current rectifiers, MCR, and the high current rectifiers, HCR, provide DC current in the range of 5,000 to 660,000 amps as single or multiple units to meet customers' various needs in industrial applications. In terms of product design, we take the requirements for safe and smooth operation of rectifiers into consideration. The self-supporting rectifier frame is built of high-conductivity, cold-extruded aluminum profiles that have specially designed shapes. The inside water channels are routed and welded in such a way that extensive external hose connections are not required anymore. In the meantime, semiconductor and fuses are efficiently cooled on both sides. Except for the connection to the transformer bushing, the complete rectifier structure is without any bolted connection. The clear design allows for easy and quick access to every rectifier component. Each semiconductor path is equipped with a high-speed current-limiting fuse for selective isolation in case of a failure. Electrically, the rectifier is protected against whole storage effect surges and overvoltage disturbances coming from the network or process by a suitable rated capacitor circuit arrangement. Our flagship solution, HCR 6000, is built with proven design concepts and technologies that flexibly meet the needs of various mature transformer designs. The medium current rectifier, MCR 1000, is specifically developed for the electrochemical and electro-winning industry. The MCR 1000's modularity and simplicity make it highly scalable, with high availability and easy maintenance. We know how to ensure safety and reliability for your complete high-power rectifier system from startup and commissioning through its entire life cycle. ABB's certified field service engineers play an essential role in ensuring a professional and timely startup, as well as optimized adjustments to your equipment. As a leading worldwide supplier of rectifiers for any industrial application, ABB has the experience and technological expertise to fulfill the demanding requirements of the process industry, designs and manufactures the rectifier systems that meet the customized needs of global customers. With presence in more than 100 countries worldwide, ABB is perfectly placed to offer the best technical advice and local support around the clock to facilitate your efforts toward a green and low-carbon future. The high-power rectifier team offers sophisticated solutions for green hydrogen and green steel production. Our processes assist our customers in meeting their net zero emissions, empowering our customers across the world to cut emissions in hard-to-abate industries for a sustainable development. Together, we at ABB are always here to support you along your journey to success.